This Faceless Instagram account just crossed 57,000 followers in a few short weeks. They're pulling in millions of views, without showing their face, without talking, and without using a real camera. Just videos like this. These cinematic first-person rides are going viral. And yes, they're earning thousands every month on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. The best part? You can make videos like this too, in just a few minutes, using only AI. Today, I'll show you how, step by step. This type of content works because it creates a feeling. It's not just a video, it's an experience. It taps into emotions like freedom, thrill, and escape. There's no voice, no language barrier. It connects with people everywhere. And now, with the right AI tools, anyone can make these. No editing skills, no fancy gear, just creativity. Let's start with the foundation, the image. Head to Kling AI. From the dashboard, click on Images. Paste in a prompt like this. A breathtaking view from the perspective of a motorcyclist riding along a narrow mountain road, high above the clouds. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. That's perfect for shorts, reels, or TikTok. Choose how many images you want. I usually go with 2. Then click Generate. I've included the prompt in the description below. Now Kling AI will give you some visuals. Pick the one that looks the most cinematic. Strong composition, clear lighting, good perspective. Download that image. This will be the base for your video. Here's the game changer. Instead of using regular ChatGPT for video prompts, open Explore GPTs and search for Runway Magic Prompt. Upload your image. Then type, "Give me a 10-second realistic video prompt for this POV image," with a negative prompt for quality. This GPT was built for Runway ML, but the prompts work amazingly with Kling and other tools too. You'll get a rich cinematic prompt, custom-made for your scene. Go back to Kling AI. Click Video. Upload the same image. Paste the prompt you just got from Runway GPT. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Choose Model 1.6. Turn on Professional mode. Or just stick to Standard if it works better for you. Then click Generate. And wait a few moments. You'll now have your first animated POV ride. A 10-second video is great, but we want a full experience. So now we'll extend it. Download the 10-second clip you just created and head over to a free tool called Video Frame Extractor. The link is in the description. Upload your video, then scroll through and select a frame just before the video ends. Not the final one because it's often blurred. Click Extract, and the tool will generate all the frames from your video. Download the very last clean frame. That's the one we'll use to keep the motion flowing naturally into the next clip. Upload that image to Runway Magic GPT and ask for a continuation prompt. Something like, "Continue the ride from here." Copy the new prompt. Generate your next video in Kling. And just like that, you've got a continuous, seamless POV ride. Now let's bring it to life with sound. Go to Pixabay. Search for motorbike ride sound effects. Then grab some mountain ambiance, like wind, waterfalls, or birds. You can also hop over to Suno AI and generate a custom background track. Just type in cinematic ambient music with slow build. Pick what fits the mood of your ride. Now you've got video, sound effect, and music. Ready to go. I use Canva to pull it all together. Drop in your video clips. Layer your sound effects underneath. Trim where needed. And place the music track across the timeline. Add smooth transitions between clips if needed. And slightly boost brightness or contrast if you want to pop. When you're done, click Export. And you've got a cinematic faceless video ready to upload. Here's where I flipped the formula. I swapped the motorcycle for a roller coaster. It completely changes the energy, way more intense, and way more eye-catching. I used Runway GPT again and asked, first-person view from a roller coaster flying through a lava canyon. Hands gripping the safety bar, sparks and fire all around. Cinematic lighting. Same process as before. Image to prompt to video to sound. Here's what it looked like. And that's it. You can keep making these videos every day, each one totally unique. Swap out the vehicle, try a snowboard, a spaceship, even a flying carpet. The tools I used are linked below, and I've included all the prompts to help you get started fast. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more AI content hacks, and let me know in the comments, what POV video are you going to make next? Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Go create something epic.